to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you'd like to, I'll leave my referral link down below in a description about Wantable. They send you 7 items. I really have been getting just like their themed edits, and this one is the Color Pop edit. So we're gonna open her up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. The Color Pop edit said it was gonna be like colorful options. So we will see. Wantable also has, it's called the stream, and it has like items that could be in each edit. So this was like their Color Pop edit, so it was the Color Pop stream. So I know I requested some things, but you don't know if you're gonna get the things you request. So, all right, let me dump her out. Let's see. Woo. Throw that over there. Okay, there's some colors. Better than the active edit I got where it was just no colors. Look it, there they are. She's heavy. She's got some denim in there too, so let's open her up. The sticker says style for Rachel. All right, they send the mailer to send back the things you do not want to see. The Color Pop edit. There she be, which is funny that it's like all dark. I don't remember other ones being like that. They're usually a light color. Oh, I don't want to see. Hi Rachel, giving your wardrobe a bit of extra oomph with this limited edition Color Pop edit. Happy to be able to include, 4 of the colorful items from the stream request list. And I snagged a pair of medium wash ankle jeans that will look fantastic with the green dolman top. Accessorized with the bright colorful pineapple earrings for a cute spring summer vibe. You get 5 days to check out. You can extend your checkout if you need to. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, it says don't forget to style with the free tile bracelet for the outfit of the day, cherry on top. I forgot, this edit, it had a free bracelet with it. So hopefully they sent that because she put it in the note. So, oh yeah, 2 little jewelry bags. Okay, up first, let's see. This is the, they are cute. Some pineapple earrings. They look like they're beaded earrings. And they also have like some embroidery for the green part. Those are kind of cute. Those are cute. Oh, you guys, it was a year ago today, not today, a year ago this weekend as, today's Friday as I'm filming this. It was a year ago that we were on our way to Jamaica this upcoming weekend, this date. And as it is gray and rainy. It's gonna be gray and rainy here for like the next 5 days. So yeah, if you wanna watch my Jamaica video, there's a link up there. If I remember to put the link there. So you can watch that. Oh, here, yeah. I don't know, have you guys seen the permanent bracelets? I can't remember if I've talked about this already, but my sister-in-laws and I went and got those permanent bracelets that they like solder onto you. So this might be cute to put on there too. So this is the free bracelet. It has a $21 value, the sticker says. So let's put her on. She's just like a little light beaded, stretchy bracelet. You can put her on there. She's pretty, all different colored beads. It's kind of nice. So that was the free little gimmick, if you will. So I get to keep that, and I get to keep the bag. I have so many bags because I do the Ipsy makeup bags, and I have so many bags, you guys. It's ridiculous. Anyway, all right, here we have a green dolman top. My husband's calling. Yeah, we have a weird ringtone for each other. Okay, anyway, here's this dolman top. It's really cute, I think. It has those like cuffed sleeves. I'm a sucker for cuffed sleeves, and this green has been everywhere. Everywhere, so it's very in right now. And we have a lovely lilac purple, I think is it 3/4? I don't know, it's either a long sleeve or 3/4 top. It's super soft. And then it has this twist in the front. That's adorable. Nice pop of color, if you will. And then this one I thought was really, really pretty and just kind of like overtly feminine, if you will. Yeah, it's got little frills and it's got pretty ditzy floral, and it's cropped kind of. It has elastic on the bottom. So And then we have like 3 pairs of jeans, it looks like, which is kind of weird. You'd think they would put more color things and then, you know, then fill it in with a bunch of jeans. But here's some shorts. Those are cute. Very cute. Stretchy. They're all just jeans, I don't know. Oh, Flying Monkey. I do really like the Flying Monkey brand, but these look like they are either like a boot cut or a straight leg, and I don't really do that. I do more so the skinny jeans, which I think is in my profile, but I don't think they really look at that, to be honest. That's how I feel anyway. But they have no distressing except for like a little at the very bottom on the cuff there. So yeah. Size 32 or 14, I think it's size 14. And then these are Vegas. I do really love Vegas. They're stretchy. Again though, they have, well, I like the frame, but I don't really do straight leg. But they have distressing around the knees. But they're all kind of like lighter washes. But they're nice and stretchy. So let's try everything on. Here's the first top. I really like the sleeves. The length of the top I think is good. If you want it to hit like right at the top of your jeans. I have a cami on under. These are the Vegas jeans. They are a straight leg. I looked at the invoice. I'm not gonna tell you the price yet, but they're Vegas. I think this is cute. This is lined too, the top. So that's really nice. I think it's cute. Here it is with my hair out of the way. I think you could probably wear this maybe off the shoulder too, if you wanted. I'm not sure. I don't think this color washes me out. I think it blends in, but I really like the little floral on it. I think that's pretty. I think it's nice, and I like the little ruffle here. Here's the back. I didn't even look at the back yet. Oh yeah. I think it goes nice. It goes nice down the back. It's nice on, I can't talk. It's Friday, thank God. It's nice on the back that it goes so low. How about that? So I think this is pretty. I would probably try it on with like a pair of jeans I actually wear. Let me show you the length of these. For being a straight leg, I think the length is good. It's not gonna drag on the ground, which is what bothers me, I think, a lot about straight legs jeans. So I think the length is good. There's the box. There's a scale. Pay no attention. I hit my elbow on the wall. But yeah, I think they're all right. I think they're okay. Let's try on something else. I'm sorry if you can hear my stomach. My stomach just started growling. I'm making homemade ramen, and I bought some sushi for dinner, and I'm like, I think my stomach can only think of that. So I don't know what it is about these plain tops. I kept a plain purple top from Wantable a couple boxes ago, and I've worn the crud out of it. And I feel like I would do the same thing with this shirt. I feel like it's really soft, first of all. I like the cuff on the sleeve. If you watch my Kohl's video, it kind of has that reminiscent sleeve of the perfect shirt at Kohl's right now. If you haven't watched it, watch it. It's a nice length. If you want to wear it tucked out. If you want to wear it not tucked in, it's Friday. If you want to put a little tuck to it, that looks cute too. I think I would wear the crap out of this shirt. I like the collar too. It's kind of like got a defined collar there. I think it's cute. Here's the shorts. The shorts are really nice actually. They're by Vervet. We'll go over prices at the end. I think it's a nice length. I think they're really cute. Do I need shorts right now? No, because it's April as I'm filming this, the last weekend of April. So I don't need shorts right now, and I haven't gotten my shorts out yet for the year. So I gotta kind of take inventory of what I have already. But these are nice. They're a nice option. Can you hear my ankles snapping? Anyway, let's try on the last two things. Last two items. Okay, so these jeans are also straight leg. They're by Flying Monkey. Oh, and what's weird about those shorts, they're not a size 14, they're just a size extra large. So that's kind of interesting sizing for a pair of jean shorts, since jeans are more, I don't know the word. Jeans are more starch. Jeans are more, tell me the word, not constrictive. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's weird that they're size extra large and not like the actual number size, but I digress. These jeans are Flying Monkey. These ones are also straight leg. These would drive me insane because they hit me right at the top of my foot and I can feel them on the top of my foot as I move, whereas the other ones did not. But they feel really nice. I really like Flying Monkey jeans. They feel nice. I kind of wish they would have sent me more pops of color. But this is a really pretty pop of color. I know sorry, my head's cut off. I know this is one of the ones I requested because I really liked the color. But I don't think I need long sleeves right now. My head's still cut off. I know, it's okay. We're gonna deal with it. But the color is really pretty. Also, I have this kind of color in that Kohl's shirt that I hopefully linked somewhere in this video. So, hello. Pretty color. I like the V-neck. I even like the twist in the front. I know a lot of people have gotten away from the twist in the front. I think that's kind of cute. I think it's cute. I like it. I think if this were a short sleeve, maybe I don't know. I think we're gonna go with that green top. Let's go over prices and see. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. Floral print blouse in apricot multi-size large, $58. I did really like that. I think the fit, I think it would have stayed put. Like I don't think I'd have to mess with it too much, but I like this green shirt more. The Crosby boy straight leg in light wash, size 32 by Vegas, $84. Usually when I see Vegas, like with Stitch Fix, they're like $68. So it's kind of interesting. The high-rise slim straight and medium, medium blue, Flying Monkey jeans, $84. The high-rise cuffed short in medium wash, size XL by Vervet, $58. I liked those shorts. I just don't think I need them right now. The pineapple post earrings, I did put them in my ears because I don't think I'm going to keep them. They were fun looking, but they're really big. And I wear my hair down most of the time, and I just feel like they would get maybe caught. So I've been just kind of doing like little gold hoops lately, and like I have these little gold ball earrings. The Sonoran brushed knit dolman tee, that's why it's soft, it's brushed. In green, size large by 78 and Sunny, $49. And I do have $25 credit right now from one of you guys signing up, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And then the box, the styling fee was $20, and that goes towards it, so that would pretty much pay for that shirt. The 3/4 sleeve twist front dolman top in purple sage. Size large is by Wantable, W by Wantable, $59, and then the little glass tile bracelet in multicolor was free with this box for a little pop of color. So I think that's cute. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this green top. I see this color everywhere. One of my Kohl's shirts is this color because I have that Kohl's shirt in 5 colors. I love that Kohl's top, you guys. Yeah, I think that's gonna be really good for summer, spring, winter. You can wear with a cardigan. Yeah. Anyway, merchandise totals $424. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. So $339.20 would be the whole box minus the styling fee credit of $21.20, but then you got to add the sales tax back in. So the whole box would be $338.35. That's a lot, I think. So I don't know why I'm leaning. I think I'm just thinking about sushi and ramen. Yeah, you guys, we did it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna go make ramen right now. I know you guys are probably thinking like, oh, you know, packaged like ramen. I get the thin rice noodles. I make my own broth. I add like ginger, lime juice, sugar, soy sauce, fish, I was gonna say fish juice, whatever it's called. Put that in there, coconut milk, I put some curry powder in there, chicken if I have it, I poach an egg in it. green onion, mushrooms. It's gonna be delicious. That's what I do. I love it. If you follow my Instagram, sometimes I post pictures of ramen on there. It's eyebrow06. But yeah, you guys, thanks so much if you made it this far. I hope you're having a great day, evening, night, morning, afternoon, whatever it is when you're watching this, and I will see you next time.